and welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see wedding decoration ideas at beach. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Planning your dream wedding on a tropical beach may be easier than you think, especially when it comes to destination wedding decorations. You already have a dreamy backdrop better than anything you could create or purchase, which means all you need to do is add a few details for the perfect romantic setting. Use the ideas below for inspiration when choosing your beach wedding decorations. There are several ways you can go when choosing a color scheme or destination wedding decoration. One option is to focus mainly on white and light colors that match the sand and pale blue sky. Everything will tie together in a very elegant way with a relaxing and romantic feelings. Another popular option is to choose bold and bright colors that complement the tropical trees, flowers, and wildlife. Bright reds, corals, blues, and orange are great options. Generally speaking, however, a combination of these two selections provides the most glamour. Use white and sandy brown as a base and throw in pops of tropical colors with flowers, bridesmaid dresses, and centerpieces. Use items inspired by your surroundings to bring everything together. You can find ornamental starfish that look stunning hanging from tree branches, archway, or ceiling. Other natural elements like driftwood, seagulls, and seahills can be used as beach wedding decoration in centerpiece, signs, or frames. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your wall with photo frame. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links, and enjoy watching the videos.